At dawn, the journey of the cashew nut begins in the orchard.
Each cashew nut is harvested by hand to preserve quality.
Harvested cashew nuts are collected immediately on site.
Initial sorting removes damaged cashew nuts in the field.
Weight checks ensure consistent cashew nut batches.
Each cashew nut sack is tagged for full traceability.
Harvested cashew nuts rest briefly before transport.
Moisture levels are checked to protect cashew quality.
Approved cashew nuts move toward collection points. The cashew nut leaves the orchard behind. Field verification locks in the cashew nut batch.
Light sun exposure reduces surface moisture in cashew nuts.
Even drying prevents spoilage during transport.
Timing ensures consistency across all cashew nut lots.
Prepared cashew nuts are sealed for transport readiness.
Palletized cashew nuts await pickup.
Transport arrives to carry the cashew nut forward. The cashew nut now begins its journey to the factory. Secured inside the truck, the cashew nut begins its road journey. The cashew nut load is sealed for transport. From field to factory, the cashew nut moves forward. Distance separates the cashew nut from its origin.
Logistics keep the cashew nut supply continuous. Every cashew nut batch remains traceable in transit.
Security checks protect the cashew nut cargo.
Transport resumes without delay. The destination for the cashew nut comes into view.
This is where transformation begins for the cashew nut.
Controlled entry protects food-grade cashew nut processing.
Incoming cashew nuts are officially recorded. Verified weight confirms delivery integrity.
The cashew nut is directed to its next stage. Precision positioning prepares cashew nut intake.
The factory opens its doors to the cashew nut.
Mechanized handling keeps cashew nuts safe.
The cashew nut officially enters the processing facility.
Inside these walls, raw cashew nuts are transformed with precision.
Every cashew nut follows a controlled entry path.
The cashew nut enters the processing environment.
From open air to controlled conditions, processing begins.
Conveyors prepare to receive raw cashew nuts.
Positioning ensures smooth cashew nut flow.
Final checks protect cashew nut integrity.
Raw cashew nuts are released into the system.
Gravity feeds the cashew nut forward.
Motion drives the cashew nut into processing. The cashew nut enters a complex industrial flow.
Clean air systems protect cashew nut quality.
Digital monitoring guides cashew nut flow.
Precision control maintains cashew nut consistency.
The cashew nut advances to its first treatment.
Environmental controls shift for the next stage.
Cleaning systems wait for the cashew nut. The cashew nut reaches its first cleaning stage. The cashew nut undergoes its first industrial cleaning. Contaminants are separated from the cashew nut stream. Cleaned cashew nuts exit the washing stage.
Surface moisture is reduced before sorting.
Controlled airflow prepares cashew nuts for inspection.
Uniform alignment improves sorting accuracy.
Human eyes provide the first quality judgment.
Defects are removed before further processing.
Only suitable cashew nuts move forward. Size grading begins the classification process.
Size consistency improves downstream efficiency.
Graded cashew nuts are now classified.
Sorted cashew nuts reunite in controlled flow.
Safety systems protect the cashew nut supply.
Detection systems remain constantly verified. Clean, sorted cashew nuts advance.
Moisture control ensures processing stability.
The cashew nut is now ready for core processing. Controlled heat softens the cashew nut shell.
Precise pressure protects the cashew nut kernel.
Moisture is controlled at every stage.
Conditioned cashew nuts move to shelling.
Mechanical precision begins shell separation.
Cooling stabilizes the cashew nut structure.
Technology protects the valuable cashew kernel.
Separation defines the heart of cashew processing.
Even byproducts are carefully managed. The cashew nut kernel is finally exposed.
Human precision safeguards kernel purity.
Clean kernels define premium cashew quality.
Alignment prepares kernels for finishing.
The cashew nut enters refinement. Peeling systems prepare for delicate work. Automation ensures gentle cashew handling.
The cashew nut moves deeper into transformation.
Steam softens the cashew nut skin for easy removal.
Peeling begins as the cashew nut moves forward.
Precision brushing ensures intact cashew kernels. Waste is separated for efficiency and cleanliness.
Human oversight guarantees quality at every stage.
Proper alignment prepares the cashew nut for heat treatment. Cashew nuts advance toward the roasting phase. High-precision roasting develops flavor and texture. Precision temperature control protects the cashew nut quality. Roasted cashew nuts begin their journey to stabilization. Controlled cooling, locks in flavor and crunch.
Quality assurance ensures uniform appearance.
Safety checks protect the cashew nut at every stage. Uniform weight ensures even roasting and packaging.
Optional flavoring systems are now in place.
Transformation continues with finishing touches.
The cashew nut enters its final transformation stage. High-tech coating ensures flavor and shine on every cashew nut.
Automation guarantees consistent coverage for the cashew nut. Controlled seasoning enhances taste without compromising quality. High-tech sensors catch imperfections invisible to the human eye.
Automation removes defective cashew nuts efficiently.
Precision cameras ensure every cashew nut meets exact standards.
Smart mechanisms streamline the cashew nut workflow.
Streams merge, maintaining controlled cashew nut flow. Every cashew nut is accounted for by automation.
Automation guarantees consistent batch weights for the cashew nut.
Speed and precision merge to maintain cashew nut excellence.
Automated alignment ensures uniform presentation.
Safe systems double-check the cashew nut for purity. Continuous monitoring guarantees cashew nut quality.
Controlled temperature stabilizes the cashew nut.
Cooling locks in crunch and flavor for each cashew nut.
Advanced systems ensure the cashew nut meets exact standards.
The cashew nut now enters its final precision stage.
Every cashew nut now undergoes careful finishing.
Human precision ensures uniformity and premium quality.
Automated sorting aligns every cashew nut to industry standards. Polishing adds shine and enhances natural flavor.
The cashew nut is now ready for precise counting.
Each cashew nut batch is measured with accuracy.
Precision weight ensures consistent cashew nut packs. Human oversight complements automation for perfect cashew nuts.
Technology ensures every cashew nut meets strict standards.
Alignment prepares the cashew nut for consistent packaging.
Cooling locks in crunch and flavor for each cashew nut.
Steady flow ensures efficient cashew nut handling.
Automation prepares the cashew nut for secure packaging. Each cashew nut pack is sealed for freshness.
Exact weight guarantees consistency in every cashew nut pack. Automation efficiently organizes the cashew nut for storage.
Human oversight ensures perfect arrangement for the cashew nut.
The cashew nut is ready for quality control and testing.
Every batch of cashew nut undergoes rigorous testing before storage.
Controlled sampling ensures accurate quality assessment.
Moisture levels are critical to preserving cashew nut crunch.
Color consistency confirms the premium quality of cashew nuts.
Correct weight ensures each cashew nut pack meets standard.
Safety is as important as taste for every cashew nut. Firmness ensures premium texture for each cashew nut.
Only certified cashew nuts move to final stages.
Traceable records maintain accountability for every cashew nut.
Microbial safety is verified before cashew nut packaging.
Controlled incubation ensures the cashew nut remains safe.
Nutritional integrity is confirmed for each cashew nut batch.
Taste tests complement mechanical and visual inspections.
Quality control ensures only premium cashew nuts proceed.
Laboratory data ensures traceability and quality for the cashew nut. Certified cashew nuts return for final packaging.
Supervisors confirm every cashew nut meets rigorous standards.
Every cashew nut now moves to final packaging and dispatch. The cashew nut is now ready for secure packaging.
Automation ensures uniform cashew nut packs every time.
Each cashew nut pack is sealed for freshness and traceability.
Consistent weight ensures customer satisfaction for the cashew nut.
Automation efficiently organizes cashew nut packs for storage.
Human oversight ensures every cashew nut pallet is ready for transport.
Pallets are moved efficiently into storage. Organized storage keeps cashew nuts accessible and safe.
The cashew nut is prepared for distribution to markets.
Logistics teams coordinate precise delivery for cashew nuts.
Pallets are loaded efficiently for safe transport.
Every cashew nut batch is ready for shipment.
And this is how modern factories produce cashew nuts from start to finish.
Finished cashew nuts leave the factory for distribution.
Inventory is stored and managed efficiently.
The cashew nut factory operates with precision and consistency. Modern factories ensure quality and efficiency in every cashew nut.